I'm Don Nelson, and this is the Additive Report. We all know that there's a problem getting young people to come into manufacturing. It's proven. People try all different types of things. They try and say, well, we have a break room, we give you desserts, we give you free soda. But what it has to be is you have to have something for a reason that young people want to work there. If there's a reason that young people want to work at Google, yeah, you make a lot of money, but it's very cool technology. So what I would suggest is, what is the coolest technology? Additive manufacturing. So if you're a manufacturer, get yourself a 3D printer and watch those resumes start coming in.